Once again, we're staying in our Xrefs.dwg file, and you can see our property line external reference file has been loaded into the host drawing as well. Xrefs are often a way of people collaborating on AutoCAD drawings. So for example, someone might be working on the external reference file while you're working on the geometry in the host drawing, the Xrefs.dwg file. So let's try and replicate that scenario by going up to Open, and we'll open up the property line drawing like so. So there's our property line drawing, and you can see that it's just a simple drawing using a dashed line type. What I'm going to do is click on it, and you can see it is a polyline. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the shape of the polyline. And I'm going to hover here like so. And I'm going to add a vertex on this side here like so to there. And then I'm going to hit escape a couple of times and select the polyline again. And you can see we've got a vertex there now as well. So what I can do now is I can click on this grip here and just drag it along a little bit to say there, just to change the shape of the polyline a little bit on that top left corner. I'll just hit escape a couple of times now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to save that file. So I'll save it, and the changes are now saved to the property line.dwg file. So what happens now if I go back to my Xrefs.dwg file, the host drawing? If I go back here, what you'll find is it tells me now that an Xref has been modified. Can you see there? I need to reload my property line Xref. It even tells me who's made a change, which is great. That's my username relating to my version of AutoCAD when I made the change to the property line.dwg file. Now, in AutoCAD 2021, you can compare the changes. Now, I'm not going to worry about comparing the changes. I just want to reload the property line file. So when I click there, you can see that that change now appears in the reloaded Xref. So all I've done there is assumed that somebody has made a change to the property line.dwg file, and when they've made that change, they've saved it, and AutoCAD has told me, hang on a minute, your Xref has changed. The benefit you have there is every time somebody saves a change to an external reference file, you will be prompted by AutoCAD because it's loaded into your host drawing, your Xrefs.dwg file. It's a really, really useful feature, and it's great for collaboration because you could have 4 or 5 different Xrefs attached to your host drawing, giving you lots of different information, but that information is being provided by other people, third parties, the collaborators on your AutoCAD project.